Hey guys, how you doing today? Guys, I'm gonna be answering your dermarolling questions. For those who don't know, I have a dermaroller brand, Gin Amber Beauty, with the real needles, with the real stuff, and it's not fake and it's everything real. So guys, I have here screenshots from all your questions. First question is, what size needle is this you are using for your eyes? For my eyes, around the eyes, I always use 0.25, which is the smallest one. I never use 0.5. You can use 0.5, but to me 0.25 is the best size, which is the smallest size that I have. Now, if you don't know anything about the size, then go to my website ginamber.com and go to the fact section. You can find a table where I actually created myself with my friend, which is plastic surgeon, help and approval that this kind of size is perfect for this kind of reason, like discoloration, acne scars, wrinkles, fine lines, cellulite. Everything is on this table if you don't have idea what size you should be using for what kind of concerns. Can we put Dermaroller on the towel? Please answer me. So guys, if you don't have disinfection, as I recommend alcohol in your country, you don't have access, the towel is fine, but I always recommend try somehow to find a way access to alcohol. This is the best way to disinfect germs, bacteria, all the crap from the Dermaroller. But if you don't have the towel, it's fine. Just make sure after that you pour with the boiled water, which is not warm, boiled water, but already cold water. So for example, if you know that you're going to do dermarolling today, you don't have alcohol, you can disinfect in Dettol if you have it. Dettol, I don't know how to pronounce, sorry, English is not my language. Just after that, make sure you rinse with the water, not water from the tap water, but water from the filter, or boiled water, but not hot boiled water, and after when it's cold. Next question, can I use 0.75 on my 11 lines between my eyebrows? I just bought and I'm worried I should have gotten 0.5. 0.75, it's okay between your brows. Over here on 11 lines, you just don't go anywhere else, just over here. For the forehead, guys, I never recommend nothing more than 0.5. Anything above for the forehead is too big. How do you keep it? Where do you store it? She asked about Dermaroller. I keep it in my case that comes when you buy Dermaroller, comes with this case. I keep it in this case actually. So after I finish Dermarolling, I keep it I disinfect and everything. I keep like this Dermaroller for 24 hours. After that, I make sure that it's really dry. Then I close it and then I store anywhere in the drawer, under the sink, in the cabinet, wherever you want, but this is how I store it and how I keep it. Does it hurt while using it? Depends on the size, depends individually. For me, doesn't hurt even 1.0 millimeter Dermaroller. For me, all the Dermaroller sizes okay because I use for many years and I am kind of, pain free. But you guys, some people are even in the pain with 0.25. Then you can use numbing cream, which I recommend from Amazon, Ebanel 520. I'm gonna link down below for those who are interested in a numbing cream that is really good. Next question, hi, if I use Dermaroller on an area that has a tattoo, will it affect the tattoo by fading at all? I don't think so. I never tried using on my tattoo. I have a tattoo over here. I never tried because there is, I don't know for what reason you're using. Maybe you have stretch marks. Does not affect, guys, but I don't want to say like 100% does not affect because every person is different. But if you don't use a very deep Dermaroller, like for example 2 or 3 millimeters, it shouldn't do anything. And usually because now I'm going through removal of this tattoo, I need really strong laser to remove it. I do not believe that Dermaroller can affect tattoo. Can I mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil and apply together on the scalp? Because I dermaroll my scalp and I have done video that you can dermaroll your scalp for hair growth. Yes, you can apply aloe vera together with coconut oil. It's fine. Absolutely, you can do it. Hey Jin, your videos are awesome. I wanted to ask if it's okay to use aloe vera after microneedling. PS, you have got beautiful skin. Yes, you can absolutely use aloe vera gel. Absolutely fine. I have aloe vera plant right there in the back of me that sometimes I cut. Use anywhere on the hair, on the face. Aloe vera is really good. Anti-inflammatory, soothing, moisturizing, nourishing, really amazing plant. I love it. Dermaroller makes the eyebrow grow. Yes, absolutely. If you're going to use, for example, 0.5 on the eyebrows every 5-7 days, you're gonna notice, believe it, like 4, 5, 6 months that your eyebrows are a little bit bushier. Hey Jin, I just got your 0.5 millimeter yesterday, but due to my excitement I did my dermarolling today during the day and eventually got sweaty while doing house chores and giving my dog a bath. I know, how can I know that to do and yet end up doing it wrong. My question is, can I still do it just one more time tonight before I get to sleep this week? Thanks much, you inspire me. She got sweaty. Okay, she used Dermaroller at the daytime, she got sweaty during the shorts, and she asked if she can do it at night one more time. No, you already did at the daytime. That's why I always, guys, say Dermaroll before bed. Do Dermarolling like 1 hour before going to bed. Especially with 0.5, you have to wait a week. I know it's sweat and everything, so in this case, if this happens, guys, take a cotton round, really gently remove with some toner that doesn't have alcohol, remove everything and then reapply your serum. It might be hurting a little bit, like stingy, but this is the only way to avoid like being sweaty and everything if you do it at the daytime. The best option, do it before bed. All right, next question. Can I use salicylic acid before doing Dermaroller? Absolutely, if it's not strong, like the drugstore brands are fine using before Dermarolling, but if strong, like medical grade salicylic acid, I recommend to use 2-3 days only before doing Dermarolling. Any acids, at least 5 days before doing Dermarolling. Okay, so doesn't the hair get tangled in the roller about the scalp? No, it doesn't. That's why I always use Dermaroller on my scalp while I have oily hair, right before going to the shower and washing my head, like 1 or 2 hours or a night before, when you know that in the morning you're going to wash your head. The night before that, it doesn't get tangled. I never got tangled my hair. If you follow my videos, it doesn't get tangled. Okay, so I got my roller from Stacked Skincare, and I try to save money by using Birds and Bees anti-aging serum on my skin with it, and my skin got very puffy and swollen. I don't know if it's Birds and Bees serum made that problem or Stacked Skincare. I know Stacked Skincare, I adore there. They're very nice. They have a nice shaving tool for the face. But as I see from the pictures, guys, I never bought Stacked Skincare, but I know that their roller is made of metal wheels, which is completely different and than my roller. My roller is made of the real individual needles. Stacked Skincare, they use metal wheels as far as I see from the picture. I'm not sure, but as I see from the picture, they use metal wheels. And I had clients saying that they got scratches, they got scars, they got like some redness using Dermarollers that are made of metal wheels. So make sure that you're using, try to use with another serum, and then if this is still happening, then it's your roller. Can the Dermaroller help with skin discoloration? Absolutely. My chin and sides of the lips are darker than the rest of my face, as well as the side of my face near ears. Do you have any tips or product suggestion? Dermarolling can help you. I have vitamin C serum, which I don't have next to me, which helps a lot with discoloration. On my website, ginamber.com. What do you wash your face with before Dermaroller? Can I use it my daily wash to wash my face before? Yes, absolutely. You can use your daily wash wherever you're using before Dermarolling. Don't forget to disinfect your skin and roller. I have a tiny intense scar between my eyebrows on my glabella. Which size roller is okay to use in that area to get rid of scar? Glabella is right here. This question, what size of roller okay to use? 0.5 or 0.75? Gin number, thanks. I just ordered but forgot to ask first. Is it 0.5 enough to minimize redness leftover from some acne? Yes, it's enough. It's absolutely enough. Hi, Gin. I just want to know that first, after Dermarolling on scalp, can I use onion juice instead of aloe vera? Onion is good for the hair growth because it has sulfur. But guys, I don't know if you're not going to irritate your skin too much doing at once that much stuff. Onion is, you know, kind of strong, and I personally myself, I don't use onion because I cannot stand the smell. I know onion is really good for hair growth. In the beginning, I will try to use Dermarolling, and then like in between to use onion. I think like juice applied gently is really fine after Dermarolling, but if you're going to rub like onion inside, it might be like too much. It's been 2 months now. I'm using 0.5 on my scalp, so should I stick with 0.5 or go higher? 2 months is not enough. You can definitely roll it for half year with 0.5 and then go higher. I have a bad acne scars and I'm a teenager. I use Retin-A for a few months and it helped with the scars, but I do still get occasional breakouts. Do you recommend Dermarollers for me even though I still have acne? If you have just few pimples, guys, just put your finger, disinfected finger on that spot where you have acne and just use Dermaroller around it. If you have a lot of acne, you cannot use Dermaroller on the acne skin. Next question. Hi, I'm just wondering whether you have watched this video about the danger of microneedle for scalp at home and its effectiveness. So she posted the link according to the video I was watching. This video came from plastic surgeon that specializes in hair restoration, and he is actually against dermarolling. One thing, I understand their point because it's not safe. There are many companies that they don't explain any safety about how to use dermarolling and stuff like this. Me as a YouTuber and as a brand owner, I always put a lot of information for my clients, for my subscribers, that they will know how to use it. This is why I'm here, to explain you, to show you how to use it, so you will be using the right way. Second reason why they don't like it, because they don't make money out of this. Like this doctor that specializes in hair restoration, plastic surgeon, he is of course gonna be against this because he's not gonna make money out of this. This is super simple marketing, no money. Read, guys, I'm gonna link down below medical study that being done about hair dermarolling and how improve the group of the people while using dermarolling. Hair grow improve much more than the group that didn't use dermarolling. Also, you can read a book about another study done that Dr. Lance Satterfield, I have this book, I can link down below where you can buy this book if you want. This doctor is one of the oldest doctors that started doing microneedling, dermarolling on the scalp, on the skin, on the scars long time ago. One of the first doctors that started using Dermaroller, and he says in this book that dermarolling on the scalp works actually. So now, next question, what size should I use for my bikini line for dark spots? Thank you. For bikini line, it's kind of a sensitive spot right there. I will say 0.5. If it's too much, you can use numbing cream, but 0.5 really should help for the dark place. Use vitamin C serum that I have, is really good for hyperpigmentation. I spend money on Dermaroller and after serums, but came to know that selling alcohol is banned in my country. Also, witch hazel is not easily available. What to do? Those people, this was the last question, those people that don't have access in alcohol, you can use acetone. You can use barbicide. Where else? Witch hazel. You still don't have. You should have witch hazel. Witch hazel is not a bad thing. Use, for example, acetone. Rinse with acetone, like, I don't know, not much, like kind of if you have a spray a lot of with acetone, then rinse with the water, but water from the filter, not water from the tap. So yeah, guys, that's it for the day. I hope I answered some of your questions. I'm gonna be doing this video every single month because I get a lot of questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for trusting me. For this reason, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give 3 of my subscribers 3 Dermarollers size, whichever you're going to choose. So the rule is very simple, guys. I want you to be subscriber of my YouTube channel. I want you to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna link down below all the rules, what you have to do. And I want you to be a subscriber of my website. So for example, when you go to my website, ginamber.com, there is gonna be a section subscribe for newsletter. Then actually, guys, it's good when you are subscribed to newsletter because people get a lot of notifications about new products, about discounts. Sometimes I'm not saying on my Instagram or I'm not saying on my any social media about discounts that I have. I just send emails to my subscribers online, and in this case, people know when I have discounts. Like, I very rarely tell about my discounts on YouTube at all. Like, only most of these discounts go to my subscribers from my website. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. About giveaway, all the rules gonna be down below in the description box. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really hot right now, and I wish you a beautiful summer. It's beautiful, nice outside, sunny, nice. Okay, bye guys, love you. Bye. Sending you a lot of positive energy. Bye guys, love you.